for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Darien, or near Delavan, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Darien, Richmond, Allens Grove, Millard, and Tibbetts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m.